Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with a clean vocal lane, record or import at proper sample rate, then create an audio track and arm it. Once done, enable input monitoring so you hear processing in real time. Next, insert the Autotune plugin into the channel's audio FX slot. This is the first actionable step. You do this now because hearing tuning live helps dial settings quickly and it prevents re-recording. Make sure latency compensation is on so pitch correction stays tight with your DAW timeline. Once Autotune is active, set the song key and scale to lock notes to the correct pitch set. You'll avoid odd corrections this way. Then choose retune speed. Low values produce natural correction, near-instant values give that classic Autotune effect. Make sure to switch between automatic for quick fixes and manual for detailed note editing. Use Humanize and FlexTune to retain vocal nuance. This prevents flattened vowels and keeps vibrato sounding real, while letting you control how aggressively notes snap to pitch. Finish by refining problem notes in graph or manual mode. Draw pitch curves, adjust note transitions, and correct timing artifacts. Once refined, automate bypass or format shift for creative changes across verses and choruses so the tuning fits arrangement dynamics. If things go wrong, such as glitches or tracking errors, make sure your audio buffer size isn't too low, enable low latency mode if needed, and confirm plugin delay compensation. These steps give you both polished tuning and reliable playback across the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.